Purchasing a human hair wig is an investment, and I am about to tell you everything that you need to know to get maximum use out of yours. These tips can also be used for your hair extensions and hair pieces. I have listed links to purchase all of the products that I personally use in the description. And if you have any questions that I don't answer, please leave them in the comments. How often should I wash my wig? This depends on how often you wear your unit and your activity level. If you wear your unit daily, I recommend washing it every 2 to 4 weeks. Generally, you can tell when your wig needs a little refresh, but don't forget that excessive washing can actually dry out your wig. What products should I use on my wig? Any high quality products from a salon should work, but if you're on a budget, that's okay. Just make sure to get mild, sulfate-free products. But remember to always treat your hairpiece like an investment. Using high quality products will ensure your hairpiece's longevity. A moisturizing or hydrating treatment after washing is highly recommended. Protein treatments are not recommended, and I advise avoiding Olaplex altogether. When styling or blow drying your wig, always use a heat protectant. Remember to keep treatments to the ends of your hair and never apply to the lace or cap. How do I wash my wig? Gently. Use cold water, as cold as possible. If it's possible, try and separate the colors on your wig before you shampoo it, and gently run the shampoo through your wigs or extensions. Do not rub or scrub. When rinsing out shampoo and conditioner, it's always advised to have high pressure water. When using conditioner, gently apply it to the ends of your hair, and like the treatments, do not apply it to your cap or lace. Applying conditioner and treatments to the lace or to the cap can loosen the knots and make them slip out over time. When you're using your treatment, you can leave it in as long as you like. Just remember to avoid combing your hair while it's still wet. How should I dry my wig? It is recommended that you always air dry your wig by simply laying it on a clean towel or using a wig hanger. Of course you can blow dry your hair, but as mentioned before, please use heat protectant. Once dry, use a wide tooth comb starting from the bottom up to carefully detangle your unit. Do not pull or tug on any tangles. How should I store my wig? While you're not wearing your wig, it's recommended that you store it on a wig hanger or a canvas mannequin head. You can also use the satin bag that your wig arrives in if you don't have a hanger yet. Do not store your wig in direct sunlight or near a window, as it can fade the color. What is the best way to style my wig? You can style your wig while it's on your head, but a much easier option is to style it while it's on a canvas mannequin head. Always use a low heat setting when using styling tools and a really good heat protectant. If you want more tips on wig styling, you can watch my video, which I have linked here and in the video description. How do I remove glue or adhesive from my lace? Some adhesives, such as Got2b Freeze Spray, will come off with just water. More permanent glues can be harder to remove. Most will come off with shampoo and water, but for any stubborn areas, I like to soak a cotton pad in rubbing alcohol and just gently massage the glue off. If you're new to wigs, I strongly suggest watching this video next.